Hello, it's Nancy Vastine back again today for doodle number 6, where we're going to do a doodle. So I think we're okay with the camera angle. I hope you can all see me and my little hands. Okay, I'm going to get started with I think that, let me think here, thinking. I think I want this pen. This is a Signo Uniball. And it's just going to go where it takes me today. I have no inspiration, so wherever it goes, it goes. I guess it's going to be a flower. It's still not like the one Tracy Baldista does. I do not know how she does hers, but I try. We had cold snow last night. It snowed here. Give us a little taste of winter. I woke up this morning and I saw white stuff, but you know, I was waking up in the night and I could see how light it was outside, so I assumed that it was snowing, but I didn't get up to check. I just woke up and looked out. I can see out the window from my bed, and I could see that it was pretty bright outside. Okay, let's see. Put some circles in here. Circles are always good. You notice I always go back to circles. Today is my baby son's birthday. Happy birthday, Matt, if you're watching Mommy on YouTube. I don't think he's watching his Mommy on YouTube. Let's see, he's 30 some odd years old. I don't think he's watching his Mommy on YouTube. And anyway, happy birthday, Matt. Yep, I had 2 in January. My oldest son was born the 9th of January, and then my baby son decided to come on the 6th of January. And then I have another son that was born on the 13th of December. And I have an oddball daughter that was born June 17th. Yeah, I don't know how she got in there, but you know how that is. And circles and lines are always a good thing to doodle. They always make things look pretty. Thanks for all you guys' comments. It means a lot to me. This is a fun challenge. I'm glad I got on the boat for this one. Sorry about my sniffly nose. Holy cow. It's cold down here in this basement, so I get a sniffly nose a lot. So excuse my, I take medicine, so as soon as it kicks in, I have an autoimmune thing that causes me to have hives, and so I take an allergy pill every day so I don't break out in hives. It's my body working against itself, I guess. Oh well, so much for that. Don't have to hear about all my problems, do ya? Just excuse my sniffly nose. Yesterday I was burping, today I'm got sniffly nose. That's because I was drinking Perrier water yesterday. That always makes you burp. How we doing here? Are we on camera? I kind of get quiet when I'm thinking about this. Don't want you guys to miss anything. You know, it's funny, I get started on these on camera, and then when I go off camera, I can't stop. I just keep wanting to do more and more and more. And you know what? I punched holes in my paper. I guess this is the right side. I was going to say, I did that on the wrong side of my paper. But it'll be alright. It'll be okay. Alright, now I've changed to a different pen because I'm going to do some bold things here. gonna get a Kleenex here. Oh, sorry. Hope I didn't. I bumped the table, but it's my camera's on a boom arm, so I don't think it bumps the camera. I was thinking maybe I should paint some of these papers so I could use some different color pens. I'm so sorry I'm quiet. But I don't have any stories to tell you. Okay, guys, I think that's my doodle for today. It turned out to be a flower. So we'll date stamp it on the back. They're starting to be a little easier for me. They're going a little faster. And I might come on a little bit later and show you what I'm going to be up to next. Change my date stamp here. Stamp it up. January 6th, 2015. I think I said June yesterday, but it's still January. Let me tell you, it's still January with the snow outside. I was telling you, though, the first year I was here, in February, we had an ice storm. And I had never been in an area. I was from Utah, but we never had ice storms like that. You know, we would get a lot of snow, but we didn't get ice like they got here. And we have woods in our backyard, and you could stand outside and listen to the crackling of the limbs on the trees. And I was out there just taking pictures, and finally my mother-in-law come out and she says, I don't think it's a good idea for you to be out here with all that crackling, you know. These limbs might fall off these trees on you. And I was like, oh yeah, that's probably not a good idea. So anyway, we're going to close for that today, and thank you all for coming and checking out my doodle. See what tomorrow brings. They're getting prettier and prettier. So that's number 6. So we'll put those to the side and just keep on trucking. Alrighty, thanks guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.